In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix easy anti-cheat launch error. So you just have to go to your Steam account. First, we're going to do the Steam and Epic Launcher. Okay, so for Steam, step one, go to your library. Step two, look for that game and then go to properties. Step three, you just have to go to installed files and then tap browse. Step four, what you're going to do is to simply go to amend the folder and then look for easy anti-cheat. All you have to do is to click this one and then tap repair services. So that's it. Now, once you're done with Steam, let's go to Epic Launcher. For Epic Launcher, step one, you just have to look for the game and then tap manage. Step two, you just have to go to this folder icon here and then look for that game, name of the game. And then after that, step three, what you're going to do is to simply tap the folder, go to binaries, go to Win64, look for easy anti-cheat, run as administrator, or just click, and then repair services. As easy as that. Now, once you're done with step one and two, let's go to step three, which is you just have to go to services and then look for easy anti-cheat. Now, once you found that system and it's running, all you have to do is to click that and then right click to be exact. And then after that, you just have to simply go to properties and then make sure that this one is either automatic or manual. Click apply and then okay. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos.